Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP seems to be in a range-bound market for now. This is the larger time frame price chart here, and on this chart we're still watching for potentially one more high. The question is at the moment mainly on the smaller time frame specifically whether this wave 4 bottomed on Monday. So have we really started the fifth wave to the upside? The potential is there. The potential is certainly there for that, but it's not really evident yet on the smaller time frames. While I record this video, we have some upside momentum. It does look somewhat promising, but the movements are too small to be really relevant for the larger time frame especially, right? So what we're tracking here is a structure which could get one more high. The support region is currently defined between $1.20 and $2.10 on the larger time frame. Most recently, that was this week, the price dipped into this region and is already starting to leave it to the upside. But it is always possible until we really get a break above that $3.40 level, which is the all-time high, that a fourth wave extends and then the price would simply form a larger wave 4. We have to consider this, which is why I stated in one of the previous updates that we could see this as a large range defined between $1.20 and the next larger degree upside target at $4.20. And it could spend quite some time in this range. I know it would be frustrating, but XRP likes to do these things. But the thing is, not to get frustrated by it, just accept it as it is and make your trading decisions based on this potential. So you have a support area, you have a next target, and you can trade the range in between. That being said, if we see any impulsive rally to the upside, it might be the start of wave 5, which could reach $4.20 next, maybe $5, and $6.60 would also be a stretch target. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for XRP. Specifically, I'm interested in the structure that developed from the Monday low. What you can see here is that we're dealing with an initial rally labeled wave A or wave 1. It could be either, As I said, the potential is that the wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February, yes, but it could also still extend. This is not so much important in the very short term. In the very short term, we have a support area to watch. As you know, we are looking at the market from an Elliott wave point of view. It is a very complex analysis method, and it takes a long time to learn, to get experience in it. But what it really helps us to do, it is first of all a risk management method, but it also helps us to define those areas for where the price could potentially reverse from a local downtrend into a local uptrend. And we already see a reaction here. Now, the microstructures, the labeling that you see here is not even so important. We only use the labels, the so-called wave counts, to define these levels. And there has already been a reaction to this area between $1.95 and $2.35. This is the support area we're watching at the moment. There are additional levels at $2.11 and $2.22. We also have an initial breakout above the trend line, but all of that is too small to confirm that we have bottomed. Main takeaway here is that as long as we're holding above $1.95, which is the lower boundary of the support area, we could even watch for higher prices, yeah? But at the same time, I cannot rule out that the area will be tested once more. But my perspective is that this is only noise. So the price could, do all sorts of things in here. It is not so meaningful. When will the chart change or do something really meaningful? Well, if it breaks below $1.95, which would not be great because it indicates the low hasn't formed on the 3rd of February, but then we can adjust, or a break above the green line at $2.70, because that would be a good solid indication that a larger rally is unfolding, and then we just have to be very close to the structure, observe the structure to identify, is this a rally to $4.20, or are we simply working on a wider wave 4, a larger wave 4? This was just the larger corrective rally down in A. This is a B wave, and then we come down in wave C, and only the wave 4 that possibly bottomed on Monday never finished or never bottomed. And this is the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the bigger picture, larger time frame analysis, longer videos, different production quality, talks about geopolitical things. Today I want to talk about, for example, later today that video will come out, how the tariff situation in the US could affect the markets, including the crypto market. So things like that will be found here on this channel. So if you're interested in all that, make sure that you subscribe. You can do that for free. Subscribe our MCO Global channel. This is our new main channel of MCO. And there will be, everything will run together here. Everybody will come together. All the MCO communities from the different sectors will come here together. So the link is in the description, and stay tuned for further updates here. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.